Oh, hello, guys. I am Nicholas Leonard, and I am going to show you what NBA game looks like from a better angle. So, you know how NBA players can get their highlights, and you see the rim right now. What the heck? Oh. And so, you see me, I think. The LeBron. But it's actually really cool if you zoom now, whatever. This video is a bust. Well, maybe. This actually looks pretty cool if you look at it closely. You can actually see what the player does. If you can go angle, and I just hit the camera. I did not knock it down. LeBron. Oh, Kobe never passed the ball and slams it. Kobe gonna pass it off the glass to himself and slam it down. Okay, I will see you next episode. Goodbye.